I'll turn it down a bit. Hello and welcome to this video about the Naim CDS2. Facilitech side says that it has two burr-brown PCM 1702s. I can see one, I cannot see the other. Maybe it's on another board, because as you see it's got three boards here sandwiched together, and then there's a fourth one, but it could be even on the other side of that board, or maybe even further to the left there, you know, who knows. I'm not going to take it apart because it's a good working unit. As you see, it has a separate power supply, and that's the huge cord in between them. I suppose this is all to limit the noise inside of the player, so all the hum is in a separate Faraday cage case. I'm not going even to count the regulators, because as you see, it's a forest. There's 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 that I can see, and who knows what's under there. So burr-brown PCM 1702 are probably the best DACs ever made. To me they are sort of resistor trimmed, laser trimmed resistor ladder DACs, and with HDCD chip, and I have no idea if it is PCM 100 or PCM 200. On the later models they use PCM 200, but all of those models have 1704 DACs, which is a later 24-bit one. This is only a 20-bit DAC. So it could be that it is PCM 100 being an older unit. Sounds sublime. It is a top loader. It is a top loader, and still has a tiny pack that we've seen later. I've sort of cheated a bit and used the clip to simulate closed cover, and you can see there's a couple of more regulators just there. So overall, great player, still fetch huge money, and I really wouldn't mind having one for myself to listen for a longer period of time, because this is just a quick look through, you know, and a little bit of service. But other than that, it's beautiful machine, you know. It might become available. Look for it in Perth, and it is being handled by probably the best man in Perth on those things. See, I met him in 1984 when he worked for a company called Budget Hi-Fi in Mount Hawthorn. And this is Conrad Albert himself. So look him up in Perth, and on SNA it's Conrad 1970.
On SNA it's Conrad in
Conrad in Perth, that's right, yeah. Look him up. He has infinite amount of knowledge, well, not what will work with what, and he'll tell you what version Mark II came in what year and when it finished. So that's all. Enough of my waffling for now, and till the next one. Bye bye.